the best way to cut an onion, whenever you're trying to slice it, is to go halfway in the middle, from top to bottom. So you have the stem of the onion, you have the roots of the onion, and you're just going to go across. I'm not using a chef's knife, I'm using a butter knife because we have kids and for their safety, I'm using this. So you're going to not peel it yet, you're just going to cut the top off. And it'll give you some room to peel. And then I'm going to cut from the top to the bottom. Going straight down. I'm going to rotate with my hand, cut through the roots, and then I have two halves. You don't have to cut through the root, sometimes they'll hold together just fine. Now I can start peeling the top layer of onion off. Let's not play with that, buddy. Thank you. You don't have to rip it off. You can wait as long as you can to rip it off because it could make you cry with the juice from the onion. So instead of cutting it all the way through, I'm going to let the roots or the skin hold it together. I'm just going to make my thin slices all the way down. I'm going pushing forward and I'm sawing down with my knife because it's serrated here. I'm grabbing my onion, and you never want to cut towards you. You want to cut down. I'm just kind of gently squeezing my onion to keep it from sliding. Come on, table, please. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like and subscribe. Here's a few more videos. We'll see you again soon.